If you want to find trash on OPPO Reno 15 Pro, then we have a couple of ways to find it. For example, if you deleted photos and videos using the Photos app, then you can find trash by going to Albums at the bottom of the screen. Then over here we need to scroll down, and then you can find Recently Deleted. And then in here you can find anything that you have removed in the last 30 days. Besides that, what you can also do is you can go to the My Files app. Let me try again. There we go. Let's go to My Files. And if you removed something in the My Files app, then in Files category, you can scroll down, and at the bottom you can find Recently Deleted as well. And here you can once again find all files that have been removed since the last 30 days. Or in the last 30 days actually. Now, besides that, we can also use a similar file manager, which is the Files app by Google, which should be over here. There we go. And in this case, we can find trash by tapping on these three lines in the upper left corner, and then we have the bin or trash. And in here you can mostly find photos and videos from the Photos app as well. Unfortunately, files that have been removed in the My Files app are not included in here. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.